Welcome to SuTasty. This time, we talk about the water-soluble vitamin B6 rich food. The vitamin B6 rich foods are fortified cereals, poultry, meat, beans and peas, and some fruits and vegetables. For example, 3 ounces of roasted chicken breast, meat only, can supply you with 0.5 milligrams of vitamin B6, whereas 1 medium raw banana can provide you 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6. A 5-ounce baked potato with skin or 3 ounces of cooked lean pork loin can also offer you 0.4 mg of vitamin B6. 3 ounces of cooked rainbow trout can give you 0.3 mg of vitamin B6. 1 ounce of walnut can supply you with 0.2 mg of vitamin B6, whereas 2 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter can give you 0.1 mg of vitamin B6. We want to let you know that you may want to try more cooking with your microwave oven, as more vitamins are retained with microwave cooking than cooking with other methods. Short cooking time, covered cooking, and little or no cooking water with the microwave cooking method contribute to retaining more water-soluble vitamins in foods, including vitamin B6. Next, you may want to know what vitamin B6 is. Vitamin B6 is pyridoxine and is a water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin B6 helps the human body make non-essential amino acids or protein components used to make body cells. Vitamin B6 helps turn the essential amino acid called tryptophan into 2 important body substances, niacin, also called vitamin B3, and serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter or messenger in the brain. Vitamin B6 helps produce other body biochemical substances, including insulin, hemoglobin, and antibodies that fight against infection. Furthermore, vitamin B6 helps regulate metabolism and maintain a healthy immune system. How much vitamin B6 do we need? For adults, the RDA of vitamin B6 is 1.3 to 1.7 milligrams daily. A deficiency of vitamin B6 can cause confusion and depression. Do not consume an excessive amount of vitamin B6. The UL for ages 14 through 18 is 80 milligrams a day. For 19 and older, the UL is 100 milligrams daily. SuTasty made this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.